Your classic Ranger's factory bumper has been taking hits for decades, and it shows. Rust, cracks, and zero recovery capability when you actually need it. A steel front bumper replacement changes the whole front-end story. Protection, recovery points, and lights all in one upgrade. 3 solid options right here. All links are in the description. Kicking things off at number 3, the TIOYAR steel bumper is the most loaded option on this list. Low carbon steel construction, with a built-in winch plate rated for 12,000 pounds, 2 5-ton D-ring mounts, and a full lighting package that includes 1 144-watt and 4 24-watt aluminum LED lights right out of the box. Sensor mounting holes included, though not compatible with factory sensors. No cutting or drilling required. 1-year warranty. Number 2, the Hooke Road Guardian takes the modular approach. 3-piece design with a low-profile bull bar and reinforced skid plate for complete front-end protection. 11-gauge steel main body, 2 25-watt spotlights included. Honeycomb center plate with a bracket ready for a 22-inch light bar. Precision welded D-ring mounts rated at 5 tons each. Note that D-rings are sold separately. Flip-up license plate bracket, bolt-on install, 2-year warranty with lifetime customer support. The Autoholic bumper takes the top spot with a clean, no-nonsense package. Heavy-duty carbon steel with laser welding for serious structural integrity, built-in winch bracket, 2 high-strength shackle mounts, and 4 spotlights included. The 950-pound rated D-rings come with rubber protection layers, which is a thoughtful detail most budget bumpers skip entirely. 3-piece assembly, simple bolt-on replacement, and a team that responds within 24 hours if you hit a snag during install. 3 bumpers, 1 classic Ranger, and a front-end upgrade that brings decades-old truck into proper trail-ready territory. Whether you want the full LED light package or cleaner modular design, this list has your answer. Every link is in the description. Go give that Ranger the front end it deserves. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Ranger content is on the way.